Hi student, good morning. My name is Chauhan Avinash Subhas, Assistant Professor at Rausai Patel Danu College of Pharmacy, Badnapur. So today we have discussed about first unit we form second year third semester, that is the benzene and its derivatives. Benzene, these are the organic compounds, aromatic hydrocarbons and parent compounds of the various aromatic compounds. Odor, it has a gasoline like odors. It is a colorless liquid and highly toxic and causes the carcinogen when handling with regularly. It is mostly used to production of the polystyrene. These are the aromatic hydrocarbons containing alternate single and double bond. And molecular formula of the benzene, that is C6H6. Some history. Benzene derived from the gum benzoin, that is benzamine, means gum benzoin is also known as the aromatic ranges. So according to this name, the name benzene is derived, and Michael Faraday, an English scientist, first discovered the benzene in illuminating gases. Next is a orbital picture. According to orbital structure or picture, each carbon atom of benzene is sp2 hybridized. See in this structure, all carbon atom they show the p orbital. P orbital, that is a dumbbell shape orbitals. Each carbon atom of benzene is bonded with 2 sigma bond with adjacent carbon atom and 1 sigma bond with a hydrogen atom. Consider this is a one carbon bonded to first carbon, and this is a second, that is 2 carbon and 1 hydrogen with a sigma bond. All 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen atom lie in the same plane with an angle of 120 degree between the two adjacent bond. Show in a figure A. There is a 120 degree bond angle in between adjacent two bonds, and these all carbons and hydrogens present in a benzene, that is lie in a same plane. Show in a diagram A. According to the orbital structure, each carbon atom of benzene is carbon atom are still left an unhybridized p orbital which lie above and below the plane of the benzene ring. Unhybridized p orbital, it means that is a single p orbital. There is a no side by side bonding or overlapping occurs. There is separate unhybridized p orbital lie in above and below plane of the benzene ring. One pi orbital forms by two sets of pi electrons cloud by side overlapping, shown in figure B and C. Let's see in a figure B, there is a side by side bonding occurs. See in a reaction C also, there is a side by side bonding or overlapping occurs, and they forms carbon carbon double bonds. As the pi electrons can move over all the 6 carbon atoms, they get delocalized. There is a alternate single and double bond. When this compound or p orbital, there is a side by side overlapping occurs in between all 6 carbon, there is a one cloud formation, that is shown in a diagram D. There is a one cloud above the plane and below the plane of the benzene ring. According to the orbital structure, each carbon atom of benzene is due to the delocalization result in the formation of two continuous ring-like electrons cloud above and below the plane of the carbon atom. Show in a figure E. Let's see in a figure E. Due to the delocalization, continuous delocalization of electron cloud, they form two ring-like structure. This is a one structure and this is a second one, that is the above and below of the plane of the benzene ring. Bond angle and bond length of the molecule are shown in a figure F. Let's see the bond length in between carbon and hydrogen, that is 1.09 angstrom, and in between the carbon that is 1.397 angstrom. The bond angle between two adjacent bond, that is a 120 degree Celsius. 120 degree. Next one, that is aromatic character. Conjugated system is a chemical system in which alternating single and double bond forms. There is a p orbital on each atom. Resonance in conjugated system of alternating bond, the bond and the double and single bonds are able to switch their places, producing an overall molecule stable structure. Conjugated system also exists a cyclic molecule. There is a p orbital on each carbon atom, and due to the conjugated system there is a alternate single and double bond, and they changes their places for the more stable structure. The conjugated cyclic system, which is stabilized by resonance, is called as aromatic system, and this characteristics behavior is known as a aromatic character or aromaticity. Example, that is a benzene, that is 6-member ring system. This is a two possible resonance structure of the benzene molecule, that is a Kekulé structure of benzene, also known as Kekulé structure. Criteria for the aromaticity: the molecule is a cyclic one, that is the first criteria. Second, the molecule is planar, all atoms of the molecule lie in the same plane. एग्जाम्पल बेंजीन, बेंजीन में जो भी तुम्हारे 6 कार्बन और 6 हाइड्रोजन है वो सेम प्लेन में रहनी चाहिए, मतलब वो एक ही प्लेन में लाए होने चाहिए. सेकंड, साइक्लिक मॉलिक्यूल होना चाहिए. थर्ड, द मॉलिक्यूल इज फुल्ली कॉन्जुगेटेड, p ऑर्बिटल एट एवरी एटम इन द रिंग, मतलब वो फुल्ली कॉन्जुगेटेड है, ईच कार्बन एटम कंटेन्स द p ऑर्बिटल. लास्ट वन, द मॉलिक्यूल हैज 4n+2 pi electrons. When you are applying this formula 4n+2 is equal to pi electrons, then the value of n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, it is continuous, that is the whole number or the positive number of positive integers. Next, Huckel's rule, first worked out by the physical chemist, that is E. Huckel in 1931, and they define some rules, that is aromatic compound consists of one or more rings that have the cyclic arrangement of the p orbital. Next one, compound must be planar, all atoms in a same plane. And last one, that is when you are applying the formula 4n+2 is equal to pi electrons, they give whole number or whole value of the n, that is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Some example, benzene, naphthalene and anthracene containing 6, 10, 14 pi electrons respectively, and they satisfy the Huckel's rule, and hence these compounds are the aromatic. Let's see in a benzene, when applying 4n+2 is equal to pi electrons, benzene contains 3 pi bonds, 1 pi bond contains 2 pi electrons, hence benzene contains the 6 pi electrons. When applying this formula 4n+2, 4n+2 is equal to 6, then 4n is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, then n is equal to 1. When naphthalene, there is a 5 pi bonds, 5 pi bonds contains the 10 pi electrons. When applying the formula 4n+2 is equal to pi electrons, then 4n+2 is equal to 10, then 4n is equal to 10 minus 2 is equal to 8, then n is equal to 2. When applying this formula in anthracene, due to the 7 pi bond, they contain the 14 pi electrons, hence n is equal to 3. Hence in benzene, naphthalene and anthracene, they gives whole number. When they applying the formula 4n+2 is equal to pi electrons, n gives 1, 2 and 3 respectively, that is a benzene, naphthalene and anthracene. Hence these compounds are aromatic. Next example, that is 1,3-cyclobutadiene and 1,3,5,7 cyclooctatetraene containing 4 pi and 8 pi electron respectively. They do not satisfy Hooke's rule and hence these are non-aromatic. Let's see now. 1,3-cyclobutadiene, they contain 2 pi bond, that is a 4 pi electrons. When applying the formula 4n plus 2 is equal to pi electrons, there 4n plus 2 is equal to 4. 4n is equal to 4 minus 2, that is a n is equal to half, 1 by 2. When applying this formula in a 1,3,5,7 cyclooctatetraene, this gives n value, that is a 1.5, that is a not a whole number. Hence 1,3-cyclobutadiene and 1,3,5,7 cyclotetraene are not aromatic because n is not a whole number, hence these are the non-aromatic compounds.